Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. From 24th to 27th of August, the EMOS Salesian Youth and Vocation Center in Cesar Winds on the Vistula River brought together many young people from all over Poland in the spirit of St. Youngwood as part of the 30th Campo Bosco Festival organized under the theme, Seeing the Invisible. The festival was opened by the Bishop of Plock, Monsieur Szymon Stukolski, together with the Mayor of the city of Cesar Winds and Wils Marcin Gortat, and the custodian of the Shrine of Cesar Winds, the Salesian Father Lucas Mastela. Bishop Stukolski was also a guest on the live broadcast Q&A with Bishop, during which he answered questions from the participants. In recent days, young people have participated in numerous activities including conferences, workshops and concerts, but also moments of conversation and prayer. The intellectual and spiritual development was ensured by some exceptional speakers: Alexander Beta, Claudia Domoska, Don Piotr Gamkowski, Jacek and Arwina Mutozak, Don Andrzej Chua and Maria Trukan, FMA. The most important moment on Friday evening was that of Lauds and Adoration conducted by the Sant Anna group from Warsaw. On 30th of August in the city of Montevideo, where the Inter-Provincial Novitiate of the Conference of Salesian Provinces of the Southern Cone region, CISUR, has been based for 4 years, provincials from Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay and Chile met to accompany this formative experience. Father Gabriel Romero, councillor for the South Cone region, presided over the curatorium, during which the personal accompaniment process of each of the novices, the formation proposal and the pastoral activities they carry out on weekends with the students at El Paiva in the interior of the country were highlighted. The novices from these 4 countries are having a good experience of internationality and inculturation typical of Salesian formation. The Assembly of Salesians from the Lombardo Emiliano Province ILE took place on Saturday 26th of August. The assembly opened with a retreat led by Father Andrea Bozzolo, SDB, Rector Magnificus of the Pontifical Salesian University UPS in Rome and teacher at the John Paul II Pontifical University. Father Bozzolo presented John Bosco's dream at 9 years of age from a theological and spiritual perspective, which turns out to be one most appropriate for the story of the father and teacher of the young. Afterwards, in the Shrine of Our Lady of Tears, which recently celebrated the 500th anniversary of the miracle and the Jubilee year, 10 young Salesians renewed their vows. In the afternoon, Father Roberto Dalmolin, Superior of the ILE province, outlined the guidelines for the start of the province's journey in the new educative and pastoral year in line with the pastoral curriculum on the Road of Dreams presented by the Delegate for Youth Ministry, Father Eduardo Goccini. From 25th to 28th of August, the Salesian National Games 2023 were held at the Salesian Presence in Mosquera, with the participation of young athletes from 21 delegations of Salesian works and presences from all over Colombia. The event was attended by Father John Jerio Gomez, Rua SDB, Superior of the Salesian Province of Bogota, Father Luis Fernando Valencia, SDB, Superior of the Salesian Province of Medellin, Father Ramiro Morales Hernandez, SDB, Rector of the Salesian Presence in Mosquera, Father Wilfredo Haicuera Rey, SDB, Coordinator of Youth Ministry in Mosquera, Mother Eulalia Marin of the Sisters of the Sacred Heart of Jesus and Mary at the Sargados Corazon School in Mosquera, and the Mayor of the city, Giancarlo Gerometa Burbano. As part of this celebration, the Youth Eucharist of St. John Bosco was celebrated in Maria Auxiliadora Parish. For 4 days, joy and love for sport were the real key players, offering sports competitions in which many emotions and experiences filled the hearts of all the young participants. From Friday 25th August to Sunday 27th of August, the National Camp Happy with Don Bosco 2023 was held in Pinar, Quemado. With the participation of over 300 young Salesian youth ministry leaders and under the motto, Being Yeast, Leaving Traces of Honesty, the participants completed an intense process of spiritual formation. The main objective was to foster a festive and reflective atmosphere that would awaken in young people the ability to question their lives in the practice of honesty and the following of Christian principles and values. So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.